Microscopy allows us to see cells and their structures in details, revealing the hidden world of biology. There are two main types: light microscopes and electron microscopes. The development of microscopes has transformed our understanding of cells. Early light microscopes, invented in the 17th century, used simple glass lenses and allowed scientists like Robert Hooke to see cells for the first time. However, their resolution was low, limiting detail. As lens technology improved, light microscopes became more powerful, revealing cell structures like nuclei and membranes more clearly. The biggest breakthrough came with electron microscopes, which use electron beams instead of light. These offer much higher magnification and resolution, allowing scientists to see tiny organelles like ribosomes and even viruses. Unlike light microscopes, which use glass lenses and visible light, electron microscopes use beams of electrons, allowing scientists to magnify specimens up to 2 million times. This makes it possible to see extremely small structures like ribosomes, mitochondria, and even viruses in stunning detail. Their superior resolution means electron microscopes can distinguish between tiny cell components that would appear blurred under a light microscope. This has led to major advances in cell biology, medicine, and nanotechnology, helping scientists understand diseases at the microscopic level. Light microscopes use glass lenses and visible light, typically magnifying up to 1500 times with a lower resolution. They are ideal for viewing living cells, allowing us to see structures like nucleus, cell membrane, and cytoplasm. In contrast, electron microscopes use electron beams, providing much higher magnification, up to 2 million times, and have superior resolution. This allows scientists to see smaller organelles like ribosomes, mitochondria, and even viruses, which are impossible to view with a light microscope. Magnification is how much larger an image appears compared to the actual object. It can be calculated using the magnification formula, which is magnification equals image size over actual size. The image size is the measured size of the object in the microscope image. This is often in millimeters or micrometers. The actual size is the real size of the object being viewed. The magnification is how many times larger the image is compared to the actual object size. So let's have a look at an example. Let's use the magnification formula. So here we have the image size, which is 5000 micrometers. The actual size is 50 micrometers. So the calculation is magnification equals image size over actual size. Therefore, magnification equals 5000 over 50, which is 100. So this equates to 100 micrometers. Microscopy has transformed our understanding of life by allowing detailed exploration of cells and their structures. Early light microscopes revealed the existence of cells, but advancements in technology, especially electron microscopes, have expanded our knowledge even further. Microscopy continues to push the boundaries of science, giving us a deeper insight into the building blocks of all living things. Microscopy has already revolutionized biology, but future advancements promise even greater discoveries. Super-resolution microscopy is breaking the limits of traditional light microscopes, allowing us to see even smaller structures within living cells in real time. Meanwhile, cryo-electron microscopy is helping scientists study biological molecules in incredible details by freezing them at an ultra-low temperature. These advancements will lead to new medical breakthroughs, such as better understanding of diseases, improved drug developments, and even the ability to watch cellular processes as they happen. As technology continues to evolve, microscopy will open new frontiers in genetics, nanotechnology, and biotechnology, revealing more about the microscopic world than ever before.